What are you doing?
Close the door. What's wrong?
Yo, what are you doing?
What is your problem?
What are you doing?
Why
Go grab some snacks. You can go with me.
Yeah, hold on.
What are you doing?
Okay, ready?
Oh, wait, close the
What?
door. Close
What?
the door. What are you doing?
What?
Let's go into the gas station like that.
Yeah?
Unzipping your shirt? Why do you gotta unzip your shirt?
I'm hot.
Babe, it's...
What the hell are you doing? Bro, cover this shit up. You said you wanted to do video. Cover it up.
You can go get it. You can go get it. But you ain't gotta be showing off your shoulder and pulling your hair down. Who do you think you is? Where'd that clip go?
What are you talking
No, where that...
Don't take time. I'll go in. Yeah, I'll just go in. I'll just go in.
You're wearing lipstick. You're wearing lipstick to go in. What? Your buttons are done up.
Can I have one?
No.
Can I have your card?
Your buttons are fully done up this morning. Who are you trying to...